Welcome! CalendarAlerts Plus allows you to break free from the event alert limitations imposed by the built-in calendar app by allowing you to create alerts for more time periods and, in most cases, more alerts per event than the built-in app. This video will go over some of the basics on how to use CalendarAlerts Plus, and we hope you find it useful. CalendarAlerts Plus addresses a long-time restriction in the default iOS calendar application. When creating or editing a calendar event in the calendar app, your choice of time periods for alerts is limited to a preset few that Apple defines. Furthermore, the calendar app limits you to a maximum of 2 alerts per event. CalendarAlerts Plus for most calendar types allows you to set alerts for virtually any time period and allows an unlimited number of alerts per calendar event. We will show you how this is done later in the video. When you launch CalendarAlerts Plus for the first time, you are first brought to Calendar View. You can move forward in time by swiping from right to left and backward by swiping left to right. The dots under each date indicate the number of events on that date. 3 dots indicate 3 or more events for that date. In landscape mode, the calendar view switches to a single week view rather than a month view. Tapping on the list button presents a searchable list of events from the current day through the next 4 years. New in version 1.2, you can add events either in the future or from the past by pressing the Show Older or Show Future Events buttons. Each button press will add 1 year to the date range shown. Note that you need to pull down from the top of the list to display the Show Older Events button. Click the Action button to return the list to the default date range. In addition, Search will now search events by any event nodes in addition to the event title. From within Calendar View, the Jump to Date feature allows you to go directly to a specific date without scrolling from month to month. You can access Jump to Date from the Action button. Jump to Date also has a shortcut button to return to the current day. If you want to create a new calendar event, click the Action button and choose the New Event option. This will bring up an interface for creating a new event. Note that the Alerts option in this interface is limited in the same ways that the built-in calendar app is. Use CalendarAlerts Plus own alerts interface described elsewhere in this video for greater flexibility in handling alerts. Tap an event to view details of the event and view any alerts currently associated with the event. To add an alert, click the plus icon and set the details for your alert. CalendarAlerts Plus allows you to create alerts for custom time periods, and for most calendar types, CalendarAlerts Plus allows you to add more alerts per event than the built-in calendar app. To modify an alert, click the alert you wish to modify and change the details. To delete an alert, swipe on the alert from right to left and tap the trash button. New in version 1.3, CalendarAlerts Plus introduces default alerts. From the Preferences area, users can create up to 5 default alerts. These alerts will automatically be added to any new event created within CalendarAlerts Plus and can be easily added to other existing calendar events. To create an alert, from the Preferences pane, tap the Add Alert button and set the alerts you want to add. To remove a default alert, simply swipe from right to left and tap the Delete button. Note that the order the alerts are applied to in an event can be changed by tapping the Arrange button and reordering the list. This is especially useful for Outlook and Exchange calendars that only allow one alert per event. In this case, only the first default alert in the list will be applied to the event. Once the default alerts have been added, you can create a new event from CalendarAlerts Plus like normal, and when you are done, you will see your default alerts have been automatically applied. To apply default alerts to existing events, simply open the event and tap the Apply Default Alerts button at the bottom of the Alerts section to add your default alerts. Certain calendar types, such as locally created or iCloud-based calendars, support setting alerts for a specific date and time rather than a relative time period. This feature is turned off by default as not all calendar types support this feature properly. To enable this, click the Preferences button and enable the Specific Date Alerts option. Once enabled, you can add these alerts to your events. Starting in version 1.1, CalendarAlerts Plus makes improvements to how alerts for all-day events are handled. If we click on an all-day event and try to create an alert for it, similar to the iOS calendar app, the alert will be relative to 9 a.m., which is the behind-the-scenes default start time for all-day events. So if I set an alert for 15 minutes before, then when I save it, this alert will fire 15 minutes before the start time of 9 a.m., which is 8:45 a.m. Unlike the iOS calendar app, CalendarAlerts Plus allows you to change the default start time to another value. So if we go to Preferences, if we want to change the all-day event start time to, say, 7 a.m., we can make that change. Go back, choose another all-day event, and when we hit the Add Alert button, we can see that this event will be so many minutes, hours, or days before or after 7 a.m. rather than 9 a.m. So if we set this for 30 minutes before 7 a.m., we can now see that for this event, the alert will fire 30 minutes before at 6:30 a.m. Now, if we go back to our prior event, we will see that our description has adjusted to be relative to 7 a.m. rather than 9 a.m. So this will fire 105 minutes after the start time of 7 a.m., which is at 8:45 a.m. Tapping the filter button allows you to choose the calendars you want Calendar Alerts Plus to display. Currently, Calendar Alerts Plus is only displaying events for a single calendar. But if I tap the filter button, I can add another calendar for Calendar Alerts Plus to display, and those events will now show up. New in version 1.4, Calendar Alerts Plus allows you to quickly delete, copy, or move calendar events directly from Calendar or List View. To delete an event, simply swipe on the event from right to left and tap the trash button. To copy an event, tap and hold on the event you wish to copy and tap the Copy To option. Then, choose the date you wish to copy the event to and tap the Copy button. In Calendar View, Calendar Alerts Plus will automatically jump to the date the event was copied to. To move an event, tap and hold on the event you wish to move and tap the Move To option. Then choose the date and/or time you wish to move the event to and tap the Move button. As mentioned, all of these features are also available in List View in addition to Calendar View. To edit non-alert event details, swipe on the event details from right to left and click. This will bring up an interface where you can edit various parts of the calendar event. From the More Info screen, you have access to the Calendar Alerts Plus About screen, are able to read the online frequently asked questions from our website, view a version history of all the changes and enhancements made to Calendar Alerts Plus, are able to quickly leave an App Store review for Calendar Alerts Plus. Positive App Store reviews greatly benefit independent developers like us, and have the ability to contact us directly via email. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy using Calendar Alerts Plus. Please feel free to reach out with any questions or comments.